Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of openEuler Now. I'm your host, Helen, and I'm excited to bring you all the latest news and updates from the openEuler community. As always, we've got a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. In June 2023, the number of openEuler community users exceeded 1.45 million. More than 14,800 developers have made continuous contributions to the community, producing 113K PRs and 59K issues. So far, 967 organization members have joined the openEuler community, among which 84 organizations joined in June. On May 15, the latest China Open Source Innovation Competition officially released the winners list. openEuler RISC-V release, jointly developed by the Institute of Software, Chinese Academy of Sciences, and openEuler RISC-V SIG, won the first prize. This release aims to improve the openEuler software ecosystem based on the RISC-V architecture, so that openEuler has efficient software packages to meet application requirements of various industries and scenarios, and to ensure the software availability, stability, performance, and system security. Currently, the openEuler RISC-V release natively supports 7 development boards. It also adapts to multiple desktop environments such as Xbase, DDE, UKUI, Genome, Kiran, and Cinnamon. In May, the openEuler Container Runtime Meetup took place online, bringing together experts in the field to explore the latest advancements in container runtime and sandbox technologies. The event was jointly sponsored by openEuler and Quasar, and featured a lineup of impressive speakers, including Michael Yuan, founder of Wasamage, Yulin Sun, CEO of Quacksoft, and developers of openEuler Isolde and Quasar. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in container runtime and sandbox technologies from openEuler and Quasar. Jointly sponsored by the Software Institute of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, Huawei, and Killingsoft, Fangtian SIG is established to develop the Fangtian window engine, including display service, window management, graphics drawing, synthesis, and display modules. In addition, the SIG will launch a next-generation FT display protocol to solve the problem of poor user experience in a Linux desktop environment. On June 30th, openEuler 22.03 LTS SP2 was released. This version is aimed at application scenarios such as servers, cloud-native, edge, and embedded, and is built on Linux kernel 5.10, with external interfaces following the POSIX standard. At the same time, openEuler 22.03 LTS SP2 integrates distributed software bus, KubeEdge, and Edge Cloud collaborative framework and other capabilities, further enhancing the collaborative ability of digital infrastructure. The recently released 22.03 LTS SP2 has integrated basic support for the Emerald Rapids platform and support for all features of Emerald Rapids that have been merged into the upstream community. This includes Intel RAPL driver, split lock, Intel Idle, Encore frequency driver, IFS driver for multi-blob image support, IFS array BIST support, and updates to the Intel PMU driver, among others. At the same time, 2203 LTS SP2 has also merged more known enhancements and issue fixes, including enhancements to Intel PRM, support for CPU models of future Intel platforms such as Emerald Rapids, Grand Ridge, Granite Rapids, and Sierra Forest. Notify VM exit and bug fixes for Intel SST, PMT, and AMX. Intel ArcSiC has introduced the LKVS Linux Kernel Validation Suite, a testing suite developed by Intel's kernel testing team for Intel platforms, to openEuler, and created a specific code repository for openEuler. LKVS aims to provide a kernel-level validation tool for the functionality and code quality of new features on Intel platforms. The tool has already integrated validation for features such as AMX, CET, Intel TraceHub, Intel PT, UMIP, Estate, and XSafe, and is constantly adding support for new kernel features. The Open External Packages service is officially launched, providing more than 30,000 compatible software packages for openEuler. It supports one-stop compatibility software packages for developers and OSVs who want to port CentOS and Fedora to openEuler. In addition, OE Packages launches multiple services for the openEuler ecosystem, such as RPM software package retrieval, metadata analysis, SBOM and supply chain analysis, and security and compliance risk analysis. In May 2023, the drives of 3SNIC successfully established repositories in the openEuler Drive Source Code Repository and Product Repository, and are ready to be included in the release version. Recently, the innovative version of openEuler RISC-V 2303 was successfully run on the Porous development board from LEAP5. The X-based desktop booted up smoothly, and related GUI applications such as file systems, terminal emulators, and input methods also ran smoothly. Applications such as Chromium Browser and LibreOffice were also supported. Currently, the graphics interfaces relies on LLVM pipe rendering, and LEAP5 will strengthen GPU driver optimization in the future. And that's a wrap for this month's episode of openEuler Now. We hope you enjoyed learning about all the exciting development happening in the openEuler community. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest news and updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.